Okay, final thoughts on HOROW X70 Smart Toilet. I think this thing is freaking awesome. It kicks ass. It's way better than the Deer Valley one that I have in my master bedroom, I think. So the guests are getting the correct treatment in this house for sure. I really think this is awesome. Special shout out to the flip button, because a major problem I had with the other smart toilet, it doesn't like to open up for me. It only likes to open up the top lid and not the bottom one too. But when you kick this, it opens up both. It understands the assignment. It's definitely a smart toilet built for men too. A lot of smart toilets seem like they're built just for women and men as an afterthought, but this one's built for both, which I think is sick. It's definitely a little bit more expensive. I'd say it's worth it. It's got auto sensing, it's got RGB. You don't really have to touch anything. Like, it'll just adjust based on the environment, like all the temperatures. If you want it to do that, it'll just do it all on its own. I don't know, I just feel like a king. This one's way bigger. It just feels like a throne. It feels right. Like, all the features that come with it is just insane. I don't know. Like, definitely worth it. Worth it. And I ever think I'd spend $1,600 on a toilet? No. But would I recommend spending $1,600 on this toilet? Absolutely. This thing kicks ass.